Hi everybody, welcome back to another weekly craft video. My name's Tori and this week we have this adorable light up card with this little robot guy on it. It's super cute and really fun to make. You're not going to want to miss this craft activity. So to make sure you don't miss any future library crafts, make sure you follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share your photos of your completed projects with us. We love to see your completed crafts that you make. All right, if you want to learn how to make this adorable light up robot card, just keep watching. All right, everyone, let's take a look at what we're going to get in our craft kit this week. You're going to get one of these little cards. It has a giant robot on it. Look, he's as tall as all those buildings. And he's holding a truck. To him, it looks like a toy truck, but I think it's a real truck that he's holding because he's a giant robot. So let's see what he's doing. He's holding open a door on his chest. I wonder what's going to go inside there. So, besides your card, you are going to get a piece of copper tape. On one side, it's shiny copper, just like that. And on the other side, you peel off the back and it's sticky tape. You're going to get a clip like this, a red LED light, just like this one, and a battery. This might not look like a battery that you're used to seeing, maybe the kind that you put in your toys, but this is just a little battery that's going to help us power our card. So let's get started. At home, you're going to need some scissors and some tape. The first thing that you want to do is decorate your card. Color it first before following any of the instructions on the back. Let's flip over our card. When we look at the back, it gives us some really good instructions. There's 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The first step says to place the copper tape and to fold it at the corners. All right, so I think this brown line right here represents where we're supposed to put our copper tape. And when we lay it down, it wants us to fold the tape at the corners. Let's give it a try. So the first piece I'm going to lay is this one right here. The arrow is pointing in this direction. So I'm going to start laying my tape down here. When I get to this corner here, I'm going to fold the tape. So I'm just going to kind of turn it and create a little fold right there on the corner. And bring it down right here. Then when I'm finished lining it up on this side, I'm going to take my scissors and just cut my piece of copper tape, just like that. So now I've got my tape laid down right here. The next step, I'm going to start laying my tape right here and go this way up until right there. We need to leave a space right here. Let's see. We did step number 1, place the copper tape and fold at the corners up here. Step number 2, place more copper tape and fold at the corners. Now let's look at step number 3. It says place the LED across the gap and tape over. This is your LED light here. The LED light has 2 prongs coming off of it, 2 sides. One side is shorter and one side is longer. The longer wire is the positive side. The positive side goes by this little plus arrow here. So that means the shorter wire is the negative sign. It goes over next to this little minus or subtraction sign here. Let's make sure we line up our LED light properly. So we gotta find which one is longer. This side is longer, so we're gonna put it on the positive side next to this plus sign. There, just like that. One on one side and one on the other side. Now let's put some tape. All right, now let's continue on to step 4. Step 4 right here says punch cut. But you don't need to do anything because I've already punched this little hole in your card right there, so you can continue on to step 5. Step 5, place battery label side up. Let's take a look at our battery. Okay. I think the label side is the side with these words written on it. Yeah. So we're gonna put the battery down on our card with the label side facing up. Okay. Step 6, it says to fold our card. So let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna fold our card, and then step 7 says we need to turn it over. So let's go ahead and do that. Fold it, oop, and it's already working. So step 7 right here, we wanna secure this part right here that has our little battery underneath it. We want to secure that part with our clip. So I'm going to put the clip right there, and that's going to hold our battery still in there, and voila, look at that. So the robot, they're opening a door in their chest, and the little red light is shining out. What do you have in your chest that's red? Maybe your heart? Yeah, so this robot, he's opening the door and his little red heart is shining out. That's so cute. So let's take a look at how this works. Open this back up. The light bulb lights up when the battery is touching both ends of the copper tape. When it's just touching one end, nothing happens, but when we fold our card and it touches both sides at the same time, the light lights up. Wow. Light bulbs don't just light up on their own. They need an energy source. In your house, your light bulbs light up in your house because you've flipped a switch and you've turned on the flow of electricity. The electricity travels through cords. Oftentimes cords contain copper wire to help carry the electricity because copper is conductive, which means that electricity can flow through it to get to the light bulb. A battery is another source of energy or electricity. A battery has chemicals that react inside of it and produce electricity that can then travel through the copper wire to your light bulb to help it light up. Let's see that again. Ta-da! And then when you're done looking at it, all you have to do is release the clip and take out the battery so you don't run your battery out, and you can look at your card over and over again with your special little light bulb inside.